Hello, welcome to another episode of to Oswestry Road, on this time from the test track. I'm just running a new purchase which I bought from West Camel, which is the Earl Cairns. But what I'm wanting to do is to tell you my intentions as far as new videos are concerned. As you can see, I have been building a lot of trees lately, and each time I got better and better, and I'm just looking to do a video just showing you how to do these, which is the first for me, and I hope you enjoy what you see. But in the meantime, I will leave you with the video coverage of Earl Cairns going around the layout, or my test tracker, or should I say. Just feel free to sit back and enjoy. Let me know what you think.